My name is Yakaru. My surgery was a little over 3.5 months ago, and I had sinus reconstruction and orbits, simultaneous hair transplant, some lipofeminization to the cheeks, the jaw, the trachea, and an unusual request I made was I also had my wisdom teeth removed. It's definitely been nice, and having had surgery and not having any visible scars, and nobody can tell that I've had any work done, because I'm not this feels like something I've said a dozen times, but I'm not trying to be this Hollywood starlet. I'm not trying to be this magazine cover. I just go back to work and people just say I look happier, and that's amazing. And I identify as a non-binary person, sort of androgynous. I like both presenting the male and the female side of the spectrum, and I've always been a little bit lucky in that I've got sort of a natural androgynous appearance, but there were things that caused me some dysphoria and some discomfort, and what I'm really happy about is, for example, my jawline. I didn't want it to be quite the same, like, rounded shape I think a lot of trans feminine or trans women would want, and I feel like that was listened to and paid attention. One of the things I really like is that having that presentation of mixing the male and female, and since surgery a lot of my wardrobe choices have opened up. I can wear something like I'm wearing today with a tie, and like my friends say, it's supposed to be this masculine piece of clothing, and yet I can make it look very feminine, and it's really it's really amazing to be able to do that now. I mean, FFS, one of the things I like to tell people is it's not about how other people see you. It's not about being recognized. Now, of course, looking more like the gender you present as, and as people would expect, does have certain social advantages. But the main thing that I see from people who've had it, and that I've seen in myself, is it's more about looking in the mirror and not obsessing over things that I used to obsess over. It's about not feeling distraught over my appearance, and of course it helps to be properly gendered. But I really think that the thing that I've seen FFS help almost everyone who's had it with is that they look in the mirror and they're happy with who they see, and they are more comfortable in their own bodies. And I mean, even if you want to talk about passing, I actually think that comfort probably helps more than any aesthetics. It's because people pick up when you're being awkward or guarded, and it can kind of make them wonder, whereas when you're just happy with who you see in the mirror, then you're just yourself, and people accept you as that person generally.